believe it was 25, 26 doctors in Quebec who, I guess, wrote an open letter asking the government to make the wearing of masks mandatory. I think in Ontario there's something like 500 doctors who have signed on to that as well. And here we are, we're deconfining again. We're allowing 50 people in the same salle. Do you think masks should be mandatory?
Well, there's three issues that are related to that. The first one is that there's a strong recommendation by public health and by the government for people to wear mask or face covering devices, and that's a very significant step. The second one is that we are not used in Quebec to impose things on people. We rely on I'd say the good faith and good behavior of people. An example of that is immunization. Some provinces, like Ontario, has imposed immunization for people to go at school, and we haven't done that, and we've had very good results, and so it's not within the spectrum of what we recommend. So we are not forcing people to wear a mask, but we think that this is something which would be very positive. And the third point is the quality of the device that you're using. When we are speaking about surgical mask, there's a standard over surgical mask, or N95, the standard. But for face covering devices, there's no standard at this moment. And we're working on that. L'Institut de Recherche en Santé et Sécurité au Travail is working on developing what are the norms and quality. There are different issues over the quality. We need to have multiple layers of those face covering masks. We need to have good adjustment, and we would rather have what we call impermeabilité, or some kind of issues for droplets to be blocked, or some kind of filters in there where it could be blocked. As long as we don't have that, it's very difficult to force to wear a mask when we have no standard. So if we would be, and we are not, if we would be to impose, we would ask to have a certain minimum of quality inserted in those face covering devices. So, and those are the discussions that we've had, Dr. Arruda, myself, and the government of Quebec.